Here is another dialogue between myself and the same or a different student. In this skit, the student will wind up with a salty taste in his or her mouth. Could you take a few minutes to read this dialogue? So what is the Guru Aruni trying to teach Svetaketu? They seem to be dropouts in some forest retreat. The first dialogue has to do with a fig that is sliced until there is nothing, but that nothing is related to a huge fig tree. Then there's the salt allegory. What starts as a piece of rock salt in water turns out to be salty water. Might this relate to a process of starting with separateness, rock salt and water, to a realization of oneness, salty water? In the context of Vedanta philosophy, might the salt represent Atman and the water Brahman? Do you remember the third slide and the concept of Tattvam Asi and the Brahman Atman concept? So, the kind of volunteer student in the skit representing Svetaketu would be gaining a more direct, transformational knowledge of this concept. In the classroom setting, I and the student, Aruni and Svetaketu, would bow toward each other and say Namaste. That term is often interpreted to acknowledge the divinity within each other.